and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the OMPIC puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Vinko or Václav Obshivač, Czech puzzle designer who creates wooden puzzles. The OMPIC puzzle has a difficulty level 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside the frame. At a first glance it looks like quite an easy puzzle, just assemble the parts inside, but if you take a closer look at the frame, you will find that it doesn't look like a cube, it is tilted, and the openings on each side also tilted, so it makes a confusion, especially for your eyes. And inside actually the opening is a square, is a cube, but outside it doesn't look like so. So it makes it quite difficult to understand which piece goes where, how to put it, and when you put 2 or 3 parts inside, you will find that you can't put the last piece in. You have to find another way how to do that. So it's quite an interesting puzzle, especially if you get 2 puzzles together. The 1-minute puzzle, which is a similar puzzle but without the cage, where you have just 4 parts and you have to make a cube using those 4 parts. And then after solving the 1-minute puzzle, you can try this one. So together they're just 2 amazing puzzles. If you like the OMPIC puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. I'll start with making a cube outside the frame. I think I can do it like so. Yeah, as you can see, quite easy, but that's because I know how to do it. If you don't know how to make a cube using these parts, it will probably take you a couple of minutes. Now we have to put everything inside, and here's quite a difficult part. You have to find how to put it inside, since the openings are a little bit different on each side. They are either on the lower part or on the left or on the right, so you have to check the cube, check the frame, and understand where it will be better to start solving it. So I still don't know where to start. I have to take a look at it again. I don't know. Maybe I'll start here. Wait a second. This piece. Yeah, maybe I'll start here. So I put the bottom piece first. I guess I can do that. Then I'll try to put this part. I guess I had to start with this part. So I'll move the first one to the side. Then I put this piece inside, and as you can see here, it makes it difficult to understand what you're doing, since the frame is tilted and it looks that you're doing something really wrong, but the actual opening inside is square, is a cube, sorry. Now you can put the third piece here. Oh yeah, I think that I chose the correct way, and the last piece goes from top, and here we have a cube inside the frame, and the puzzle is assembled. That was the solution of the OMPIC puzzle. If you like this puzzle or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Vinko, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.